He don't get belly. Oh Lord, help me. Another shooting don't take place when the boy don't say, I beg you don't. This boy don't they run from this girl like saying another person go put seed inside his stomach. People don't they look for this boy since. My people not be today matter. When they come finally find out say ungwanu na for ligoni day. Now so this girl come trace am with the belly. Come see wahala. And now you give me this one. The boy even they tell her say why she go meet am for that side. Say why you no call her. Meanwhile this girl don't they try like they call her. No, una know how una they do men. Okay, so men. Why una go impregnate person? Why una go they do like say and another person? No, you they do like say you no know and now. My people, I say I go bring a corn aside because this one it needs to be exposed. He needs to, in fact, he needs to take full responsibility of this young lady. That's how I go bring a corner aside. So I beg for now, when no know anything happen, who are they talk about and how the whole thing shele? I beg join me, make we watch the video.
Take the salad. Take the salad. What there you go, relax.
How you get to me now?
Please.
Now!
They go. What are you? Why you go pick up?
Let me and take the baby as well. Fuck you know.
I know Baba inside the
Boys of nowadays. Boys of nowadays. The only thing we do in our mind now to have fun. Nothing serious. And the thing where they pay me say for this whole thing is that the girls say they see them, but they do like say they not see them. Always they carry the way. No, see this one now. Wanna just see. What can this guy offer this girl? Okay, fine. When I go say no, money not too good. Money not the important. Money no. I beg, may nobody deceive you. Money is important too. Money is important, but I did not say you should love money more than your partner. But because money is important, what are we talking? Now this type, are they very sure? Now this type will go borrow Benz from a friend so that they go impress girls, they go deceive girls. By the time you fall now, boom. No, just imagine. Just imagine waiting. No, all of now always open in a mouth. I like it raw. I like it. See what thing raw don't cost. You don't shoot now, you don't score. How much be condom? No, how much be condom? I just they ask because if they see some of you know say you not ready for something. You still they go and now the way this girl don't come now for a match they disgrace this boy. My sister, you're also disgracing yourself. You're also disgracing yourself. Now, why I always they talk say because if you are not ready to be an adult, don't do what adults do. It is as simple as that. Why you not just go buy this thing, user? See, now they bring criminals for this life. Sorry to say, but now they bring criminals. Before you know, now she go born this pikin. Money no there to take care of her. Hey, you know school. This one before you don't enter streets, you don't join other gangs, you don't start a thief, you don't start a rape. No, now from like that they start. Maybe from club they enter dance. Small. Before you know, and now we don't even know who the person don't turn to. Don't turn to one super, in fact, senior criminal. I beg, I bring this thing here so that I go teach us ladies. No matter how simple your relationship with person dey, it's very important. Know somebody in his life. See this girl now. After I carry belle, no, who she know? Even they trace the guy. They search for her. They can't find her. I don't just understand. Know somebody. You will even go a family house. They must accept them because now you put them there. Please, ladies cannot impregnate themselves. Men, have that thing in your mind. We cannot impregnate ourselves. So whenever you do something, take full response. Una like stress for this life. This life, una really like stress. Yeah, for this brother, you must accept that thing. This pregnancy, you accept her. Very important. This girl says she's too calm. Me, I don't bring police, I don't bring anything. No, because when una dey shoot, una dey score, una dey position the girl. No, baby, put it like this. No, shift this leg. No, una you dey sweet una no remember say something go come out after that one. Under fire them, you go accept this thing, you go accept am, and you go take full responsibility, whether you like am or not. God save you, say I no be this girl sister. Me, I for buy this case from your hand. Very, very important, my people. I beg, may we learn to dey careful. It is important. Learn to dey careful. Because help me share this video so that other girls too go know say pregnancy is real. The way they talk say HIV is real. Oh, pregnancy too is real. If you are not ready to be a mother or a father, because respect yourself. As simple as that. You understand? And make sure say you subscribe if you never subscribe. If not, you go dey miss interesting matters like this. Drop your comments and una know as usual. I go reply now one by one. Stay tuned for our next story. My people, I don't bring in a matter from Kenya. This one another gbedu wey dey burst brain. Omo, I no go even imagine this one. Woman wey in they say na im partner wey die, abi im husband. In fact, I no just even understand which title I wan give this to. They say the woman now, the man even dey inside casket. He dey inside casket. I don't know whether they go bury am or not. So they gather. They say they do wedding. The woman dey alive, the husband dey inside casket. In case una no hear me well, they come dey conduct wedding ceremony, and according to wetin they talk, they say so that two of them go last long together in death. This one I never hear am before. And the man wey even dey conduct the ceremony, I don't know whether na the wetin they call those people ceremonial master. According to Rai, say in dey aware say no be the dead man wish to marry as he don die, but he need accept am. He need accept the ring so that him and the wife go remain as one, even as he dey go underground. My people, abeg, this one e pass my power. Because for una wey never see or hear this kind matter before like me, join me make we watch the video.
Ya Mwenyezi Mungu mzee kuunganishwa vile uko hivi na kuvalisha pete hii ili uwe mwili mmoja na mami kwa kwako. Shangwe.
Hey, even dead body even dey receive love pass many people wey dey alive. No, wey una don see this one before. Okay, apart from some Nigerian tradition wey dey get say if man impregnate woman and you no pay bride price, the woman die, he must go marry. In fact, even that one sef, I no just tradition for Africa. Hey, African tradition, I just pray say this thing no go lead us to another. Chineke. I pray say this thing no go lead us to another wahala. Because see, my people, Africans, our problem be say ignorance. Sometimes we dey try solve one matter, in solving it, another one even dey come. I never see this one before. I no go lie. I never see the woman even dey dance. They wear ring, they wear the dead body ring too. They dance, even kiss am. Hey, Chineke. No, why you no kukuma follow this man die? May we not say the love is strong, the love is deep. All this plenty culture, tradition, religion, many things. Now they make us all they move forward. And they talk this thing, but I no go understand. You know wetin be the meaning of this thing? This thing now where they just no, some of una go see am as wedding. Maybe another thing they behind this thing. Another thing they behind this thing. Normal level now, people go talk say, wetin they call am? Wedding abi the marriage is for better for worse. till death do you part. This one na wetin we wan call am, because the man don death do am part already. So how no make person tell me, because English don finish for my mouth, till death do you part when they are alive. So how we wan call this one now? I hope say this woman no go run when honeymoon time reach o. Madam, you see this one you go do honeymoon, you must, in fact, all the things wey you know, no, we all know, una know how honeymoon dey be. Una go chop love, kiss, una go even travel. You must everything must take place, and I go follow up o this matter, because I no understand. You leave all the people wey dey alive, all the men, all the some of them even cute, some get money. You leave all those ones, you say na dead body you wan marry. This is foolishness. I no dey see any light for this one. Abeg, which business the dead person get to do with person wey dey alive? Light and darkness, they don't have anything in common. I no just dey understand. Hey! So now be say now this one wey happen now, me say they no go bury this man o. Yes na, they no fit carry am underground, because no, people wey just marry, they live together. Meaning say now this man and this woman, they go start dey live normal level. You go cook for am, feed am. You go even dey baff am, dey clean am. You go dey carry am go market. Honey, let's go. You know, normal level where wedded couples they do. Now like this woman go dey live now. Hey, Charlie, he choke o. This one choke, my people. I know. I no fit swallow this thing by myself. I say I was bring am come this side. Lack of knowledge na im just finish us for this. In fact, make I no even talk say this word Africa. Lack of knowledge. Any small thing wey dey tell una go just want dey do. Una wan follow. Una no go even ask what is the reason behind. Na only God know whether they don brainwash this woman. Abi she herself. My people, I know they see which kind of love you want, which level of love you want love person. So tell the person die, you still they marry her. Which kind of love be that? You say you love person, even when Jesus died, because the period say when Jesus died, how many, even your own mother, everybody just dey. No, which one say they go marry person wey die? Hi. My people, attire, abeg, na the matter. This one even pass matter, na I bring like this. So abeg, anything wey you gats talk concerning this thing, because I know say many of una mouth don't even gree close again. You na shock. Just dey drop am for that side, and as usual, I go reply na one by one. Make sure say you share this video, so that everybody go know say na Kenya. I don't know whether to call their tradition be this, or be this one just start anyhow. Just share and make people know say na wetin dey happen now for Kenya. And make sure say you subscribe. If not, when you want hear this kind matter, I will subscribe. You know go kill you. Stay tuned for our next story.